Algebra of Matrices. In this, we're going to discuss about the sum of matrices, difference of matrices, scalar multiplication, and matrix multiplication. Sum of two matrices. If A and B are two matrices of having same order m cross n, then the output will just be the addition of corresponding elements of these two matrices of the same order m cross n. Coming to the properties, it follows commutative property, that is a plus b is equal to b plus a, and it follows the associative property, and it follows the identity property, which means what should be added to the A matrix so that the output also will be the A matrix. It is the null matrix we should add of the same order m cross n. Next, inverse property. What should be added to the A matrix so that the output will be the null matrix of order m cross n? It is minus A we should add, which is called the inverse of A. Next, coming to the difference of two matrices, it is similar to the sum, just A and B are two matrices of the same order m cross n, then the output will be just the difference of the corresponding elements of these two matrices having the same order m cross n. Coming to the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means multiplying the matrix with a fixed quantity. Here k is a fixed quantity. When we multiply, the output will be k should get multiplied to the each element of the A matrix, and the output will also be the same order m cross n. Coming to the properties, k of A plus B. Here k is multiplied for both of the matrices. Next, k plus L. Here both the constants are multiplied for A matrix, and similarly here this KL of A can be written as in these two forms. Here A and B are the two matrices of same order m cross n, and L and K are the fixed constants. Let's solve few questions for a better idea. Two matrices are given and we need to find the A plus B and A minus B. I've just told you it's just the addition of corresponding elements of two matrices. Here it's gonna be A11 of A matrix plus B11 of B matrix. So it will be just 2 plus 0, it's 2. Next, minus 3 plus 5 is 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 minus 2, it's minus 1. We need to add it. 2 plus 7, 9. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So similarly, A minus B, and here just see whether the order is same or not. For this, the order is 2 cross 3 because 2 rows and 3 columns. Here also 2 cross 3. Then the output will also be 2 cross 3. Similarly, for this, just subtract the corresponding elements. You will get 2 minus 0, 2, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus of minus 2, which is 3, 2 minus 7 minus 5, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, and this also will be the same order, 2 cross 3. Next question, if A matrix is the diagonal of 1 minus 1, 2, and B is the diagonal of 2, 3 minus 1, which means this 1 minus 1, 2 are the diagonal elements of the matrix. So diagonal elements means 1, minus 1 and 2. Remaining all the elements will be 0, which we have already discussed in the types of matrices concept. So similarly, B matrix will be 2, 3 minus 1 will be the diagonal elements. Remaining every element will be 0. Now, I hope you can solve this A plus B. Now, and what is the order of this? It is 3 cross 3, and this is also 3 cross 3. Now let's solve 3A plus 4B. Okay, 3A. Just multiply this 3 with all the elements of A matrix, which means 3, 0, 0, 0, and minus 3 and 6. This is also the same order, 3 cross 3. Next 4b. Multiply 4 with all the elements of B matrix. 8 and 12 minus 4 of the order 3 cross 3. Next just add 3a plus 4b. You'll get the required answer of order 3 cross 3. I hope you can do this. So next question, an equation is given, A and B matrices are given, and we need to find the X matrix. Okay, now from the equation we can say it is minus of 2a plus b. First we'll find 2a. To find this, just multiply 2 with the all the elements of matrix A. So it becomes this, and b is also already there. So just find 2a plus b. It's just the simple addition. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 plus 1, 7. And 8 plus 5, 13. Now to get x, it is the minus of 1, 2, 7 and 13. So just multiply this minus with all the elements, which means minus 1, minus 2, minus 7 and minus 13. So this is the required X matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now let's solve this question, which is, first to approach this question, first multiply this cos theta with all the elements of this matrix and multiply sin theta with all the elements of this matrix. Just do it fast, okay? Cos square theta, and it becomes cos theta sin theta. It becomes sin theta cos theta and cos square theta. This is first matrix, and multiply sine with all these elements. We'll get sin square theta, sin theta cos theta, minus sin theta cos theta and sin square theta. Okay, now just add the corresponding elements. You'll get it as cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, which is the basic property or the basic identity of the trigonometry, right? Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is 0. Similarly, sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And this is of order 2 cross 2. This can also be written as capital I, because this is an identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Next, again two equations are given, and they have said that x and y are two matrices of order 2 cross 2, and we need to find x and y. It's generally like how we solve the linear equations of two variables. In the same way, we need to solve these questions. Okay. Now, to eliminate the x variable, multiply this whole equation with 3 and multiply this whole equation with 2. Now you will get it as 6x plus 9y. Multiply with all the elements. Okay. Similarly, the second equation gives 6x plus 4y with all the elements. Now just solve these two equations. Now 6x and 6x gets cancelled. It becomes 5y, and subtract this. You will get 10, 5, 10 plus 10. From this you can get y matrix of 2, 1, 2, 2. Just divide all the elements by 5 of order 2 cross 2. Now similarly, substitute this y matrix in any of the equation to get the x matrix. So from the first equation, you can get it as 2x is 2, 3, 4, 0 minus of 3y. Just multiply 3 with the y matrix, okay? 2, 1, 2, 2. Just multiply 3 with all the elements. You'll get 6, 3, 6 and 6. Just subtract, you'll get 2x, okay? Now, divide 2 with all the elements so that you'll get x. So this is the required matrix of x and y. This is the x matrix and this is the y matrix.